Hello everyone who like to cook really cool stuff at home, healthy stuff. In one of the previous videos I show you how to cook at home really quick and easily Ukrainian sweets called halva. It's amazing. I can show you another way how you can do it. So we need the sunflower seeds. Better put it in the water after dry it in the sun to make it more soft. If your raw food is not fried, if you want, you can fry it. It will give you a different taste. So let's say we have some sunflower seeds. So I'll show you a few different varieties what you can do. Well, we can add a little bit of sesame seeds if you want to. If you want to make it closer to original taste, you can make some, let's say, you can add a milk powder if you use milk nut. Cannot, you can add let's say, for instance, not order coconut powder, whatever. So first of all, we need to make the powder in a blender. So we put it in a blender for 1-2 minutes. That's it. So basically the same you can do with other kind of seeds. Sunflower is my favorite one. And basically original halva is made from sunflower seeds. But you can use hazelnuts, whole nuts, Brazilian nuts, cashews, can make any other kind of variety of these sweets. Alright. Now for instance, approximately for 100 grams of the powder, we'll add 1 tablespoon of honey, natural honey if you have. That's it. And we will mix it up until it became the mass. You can make them more or less solid candies. So here a little bit more than 200 grams of powder. It means I add about 2-3 spoons of honey. And we will keep mixing until it became something a little bit more solid, so we can create the candies from it. I add a little bit, just I don't want to make it too sweet. So the same technique you can use with any other kind of nuts. You can make a powder from nuts, add a little bit of honey, and that's it. So look, if you fried the sunflower seeds or it's too dry, so it means you need to add more honey or a little bit water or a little bit milk or soy milk or whatever. So if you put it in the water and after dry it will be more soft and less dry. It will be a little bit better. Okay, and also you need to mix it quite a long time and mix it quite well. Until it became one brilliant mess. Okay, I think we're finished. So something like that. You can put it in any form you like, or you make one solid form and put it in the fridge, and after you cut it on a small pieces. So basically you cannot eat a lot of these sweets, same like you cannot eat a lot of nuts or seeds, so you will not overeat your sweets. Perfect for your cheat meal, and if you eat a little bit, I don't think you can break your shape. All right, we done it. Really, really brilliant. All right. If you like the video, you like the recipe, you know what to do. I'll see you soon. Okay, for escape all of the bullshit, healthy food not taste good, we make the degustation. It's super healthy sweets. Let's try
Don't
it.
taste good.
It's have to.
Goodness.
It's almond sweets by traditional Ukrainian sweets technology.
It's amazing.
And
Slava
it's a so
Ukrainian.
you gonna take it, yeah. We make the degustation.
Goodness, almond.
It's healthy sweets.
Whatever.
And it's lemon and coconut on the top.
Very good.